Hi all, this is video and lecture video number series, and this is video number 1. In this video going to see about Python programming. That is this video based compromises of this video is compromises of Python for data sciences. In this video we are going to see about overview of Python implementation in data science. That is next first thing. The basic need of Python is nothing but we are going to use, that is it is easy to learn, and it has a rich ecosystem, and it is popular for using for data analysis and machine learning. That is, Python is very flexible to use, and moreover it has a rich ecosystem where we can able to learn everything. Next we will be having that is for data analysis and machine learning process. Python will be very helpful. Next, we are going to see about Python libraries. In this Python libraries, we have numerous number of things. First is NumPy, next is Pandas, next is Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. This NumPy is used for numerical functions. Pandas used for basically a portrait type of thing. Matplot, that is XY coordinates, we are using the term called Matplot libraries. Next, we are going to use the called Seaborn. Next, we are going to use the called Scikit, that is scientifically kit to learn, and as TensorFlow that already we are known. That is, this Python library may be mainly used to form the term called as data sciences applications. Next we are going to see in about a term called installing libraries. They will be using the term called pip. The pip is used to install libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplot library, Seaborn and Scikit-learn. That is, when you need to install a library, we need to have a predefined functions. That is nothing but you will be having a predefined function. To add this predefined function, we will be installing installing numerous number of things. That's nothing but I will be using the term called pip. In the pip, we are going to install terms called NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Scikit-learn. This is what we are going to use. We are going to install libraries. Next, we are going to use simple term. That is, we are going to import NumPy. Next, we are going to use the term called Pandas. We will be implementing NumPy as NP. As we are going to implement Pandas PD. So we are going to print a variable that hello data science. In this program, we are going to import the NumPy functions and Pandas function. The NumPy function will be having the name of NP, and Pandas function will be having the name of PDs. So we will be implementing a function called allow data science. Basic of it, this is nothing but we are going to print the output of the program is nothing but allow data science. Next, we are going to use this program. This program consisting of NumPy. This NumPy is nothing but we are going to implement as NP. We are going to assign an array. Array is nothing but you are going to array is np.array where this 1 2 3 is nothing but a variables of an array, where index value of 1 is 0, index value of 2 is 1, and index value of 3 is 2. So we are going to print the first term is we are going to print array. Next we are going to print array of min. First this print ARR, which enable to have the term called it prints the value 1 2 3, whereas the next term print ARR, that mean enables to print the variables. That's nothing but it takes a mean value, arithmetic mean of 1 2 3 is nothing but 6 by 3 is 2, so it prints the value 2. Next we are going to use the term called Pandas. The Pandas is nothing but you are going to have a data frame set. In this program we are going to see out the data. This data consists of A. For example, Pandas A data consists of 1 and 2. B data consists of 3 and 4. Next we are going to define a variable called df. In this df we are going to use Pandas the data frame dot data. So when we print df, with the output variable will be of, in the place of A we will be having the array of 1 2. In the place of B we will be having the value of 3 and 4. So normally this Pandas used to have the data value. This data value is of A of 1 2 and B of 3 4. This is sample data set. So we will be declaring a variable called df. In this df we are going to have pd.data, that is Pandas. For Pandas we will be using the variable called pd.data frame. So in data frame, in the place of A we will be having the value 1 and 2. In place of B we will be having the value 3 and 4. So we are going to print the value df. And hence from in this video we have been covered the topics called as why we are going to use Python for a data sciences. Next we are going to use why the term called Python. Next we are going to see about what is the Mandala Python library we will be going to use. Next, we're going to how you're going to install a library, declaring header files. Next, we're going to see about the simple program but allow data science, and NumPy and Pandas. Thank you for watching this. Thank you. This next thing will be coming next video. Thank you.